Today, we will take a look at an eclipse set to occur on July 15th on Jupiter's moon Io. From Io's trailing hemisphere, which includes the powerful volcano Loki, another of Jupiter's four largest moons, Ganymede, will eclipse the Sun, plunging much of the hemisphere into darkness for nearly 2 minutes. We will take a look at the eclipse from two perspectives, from a vantage point 4,500 miles above the surface of Io, and from the surface, southeast of the volcano Ra Patera. First, let's take a look at the July 15th eclipse from 4,500 miles above Io's surface. The hemisphere seen here mostly points in the direction away from Io's direction of travel along its orbit, as well as towards Jupiter. Ganymede's shadow comes in slowly from the left, eventually covering most of the sunlit hemisphere of Io. Compared to solar eclipses on Earth, much more of the area that witnesses a Ganymede eclipse on Io experiences totality, because Ganymede appears much larger in Io's sky than the Sun, while on Earth, the Moon appears nearly the same size as the Sun. During the eclipse, observers from above Io would be able to see glowing lava from Io's active volcanoes. This simulation is sped up by 10 times compared to real time. Now let's drop down to the surface, east of Ra Patera, to view this eclipse. From the surface, the eclipse lasts a total of 5.5 minutes, with totality lasting a little under 2 minutes. For the purposes of this video, Ganymede has been brightened to make it visible, but in reality it would appear as a black disk, only visible as it covers up more and more of the Sun as the eclipse progresses. Also not visible here is the Sun's corona, which should be visible near the beginning and ending of totality, as Ganymede is large enough in Io's sky to cover both the Sun and much of its outer atmosphere, unlike our Moon here on Earth. Eclipses such as these occur during equinox in the Jupiter system. Several more Ganymedean eclipses of Io will occur about once a week for the next few weeks, though totality will cover a smaller percentage of Io's surface area. By late August, these eclipses will come to an end and won't reoccur until 2015.